Hi guys, it's Marlene again here. I'm here to talk to you guys today about this, so TheraBands, okay? Basically, well, the reason why we use these a lot in rehab facilities or physical therapy settings, they're just really great and easy to use for taking them anywhere that we need to take them. They're a little bit less expensive and they're really great to facilitate muscle activation, especially in early stages after injuries. And there's a lot of different unique qualities of TheraBands and resistance bands compared to weights. So with that being said, the first thing I want to address is, a lot of questions that we get. What's the difference between using resistance bands versus free weights? And one of the main differences is that when you're using a resistance band, the tension varies throughout the range of motion. So depending on how much you're pulling or how far away you are from the band, it's giving you a little bit more resistance the more that you pull it. So even within the range of motion, for example, a bicep curl, which I'll just quickly demonstrate here. When you're using this in a bicep curl, we're typically in a free weight. When you start it, it's a little difficult. When you get to max this point right here, it's a little harder when you're using the weight, but as soon as you cross that point, it gets easier. But resistant band gives you tension throughout the entire thing, especially at the end of the movement. So this is a really great way to strengthen exercises throughout an entire range. You can use this a variety of ways and different functional movements. So TheraBand is really easy to use. TheraBand itself, the specific brand, is just very consistent with the variety of resistance levels. So that's why you kind of see it across the board. And they have different variety as well, as far as like this one, where you have different loops throughout the entire band here, where you can kind of vary it as far as where you're grabbing and how much resistance you're going to get. And you can also have loops, and it's just really a great way to use it and incorporate into different exercises. Alright guys, so these are really easy to use. They're really great to take anywhere. It's not like they're like bulky weights that you have to carry with you, and they're just difficult to move around. You can take these anywhere to travel with. They fit in the palm of your hand into a backpack. So these are really great if you're just starting to exercise, or if you want to kind of bump up your routine and you want to incorporate them with something that you're already doing. They're really great for that as well. So you can find these in a lot of different places online, but we also sell them here. So keep an eye out, because next week we're going to have a sale of the week, and these are going to include some resistance bands that we sell.